Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload, check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game let's plays, and feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's down on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Blue Sky. Links, as always, will be in the description below. Discord page might go away soon, depending on if they push through that ID scanning stuff. Anyway, today we're trying the new cookies and cream flavor Klondike cones. And I'm glad I said it correctly, because I have been having some trouble the last week or so. I keep calling them Klondike clones, and it's like, so I'm glad I got it right on the first try today. But I really enjoy cookies and cream flavor, and I really enjoy Klondike. You know, the Klondike cones are pretty good, so I'm expecting these will be good. But I won't know until I get this open and try one of them. I actually found this 4-pack at my local Dollar Tree. I think they were charging $5. Okay, let's see how this is. It says use the cone like a pin and bowl your best score. No, I will not be bowling with this. I'm going to eat this. All right. Almost got it enough where I can start trying to eat this. It's like they wrap them up pretty good. There we go. Finally got it all out. Smells good. Honestly, the cookies and cream flavoring ain't too good on these. Like, it's not terrible. It's definitely still edible. But it's certainly not what I expect when it comes to cookies and cream flavoring. Cone itself ain't much to write home about either. I wouldn't say no to eating these again, but I definitely wouldn't pay $5 for another box of just 4 of them. But hopefully everyone enjoyed that video. I will be back with another soon. Sorry, I can't salute because I've got this in my hand. It's like I either gotta finish eating it on camera so I can salute or not salute. So I'm gonna choose not to salute this time. But hopefully you all enjoyed that video. Till next time, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I'm signing off. Peace out, everybody.